Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix you need a new application to open this ms-gaming overlay error, right? On Windows 11 or 10. So first up, you got to find your search bar and type down game bar. Okay, right here. So just click on app settings. I'm going to scroll down, click on terminate, reset, wait for it, and then just click on repair. After that, close this one and check if it helps. Now, if that still won't work, don't worry, we still have an option. Right click on your start menu right here. Now click on terminal admin, just like so. Click on yes. Now we're going to paste a command from our description below. Just go ahead and locate in the again description below. Now click on PowerShell and just right click to paste the command. Okay, and once that's done, just hit on enter. Wait for it. And then after that, type down exit, hit on enter, restart the computer. And after that, you're good to go. That is how you fix this ms-gaming overlay error on Windows 11 or 10. Now, if this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.